Okay, so let's look at what is an anaphora. So saying the same words again, again, and again, and again, again, and again, for impact, 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 so it's memorable, more meaningful. Yes. Impact, often at the start of the sentence, normally at the start of the sentence. So people use it in speeches to emphasize a point, or in poetry as well, to emphasize a point. So I remember a piece, I remember when, I remember how, I remember since, I remember who, I remember, I remember, I remember. From the new, from the old, from the start, from the beginning, from now, from there, from here. Exactly. So repeating the same kind of sentence or word to get meaning across. I have a dream that one day, such and such. I have a dream that one day, such and such. I have a dream that one day, such and such. So notice the again and again and again, repeating the same thing. I remember, I remember, I remember. I know, I know, I know. They've seen, they've seen, they've seen. I eat, I eat, I eat. And beyond. We say the same things again for impact, so it's more memorable and unique, and stands out in the mind and attention more. I have a dream that one day such and such. I have a dream that one day such and such. I have a dream that one day children will be judged on the basis of their character, and beyond. How cool is that? How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.